But for one eyeball placement, this is the stiffest setting on these shocks, but not much weight's going up front, so. And we're back here 3 weeks later. Three weeks later, no progress has been made. Jump right back in. Got the front bars. Those are all, everything's tacked because I'm too lazy to finish weld it yet. And now this is getting put in. Top mount's made. I'm working on the bottom mount right now. And then it's onto the rear in the cage. Hopefully we'll get the shock hoops on.
Oh, we're getting them on. There ain't no hopefully. We've been saying hopefully past 3 weeks. We're gonna be able to drive
Put the shocks on the front. That way the front's a full roller and the rear is not even close. What are we working on?
I don't want to say nobody.
Shock mounts for the tubes over there.
Yeah, because our full saw sucks. Yeah, this is hard with.
I'm over here making this real structural and straight motor mount. About it.
Get paid. Be a cameraman.
Alright, we got 2 people working. One's cleaning the garage.
You always got that one guy that just doesn't do nothing. That's me.
He's literally on Instagram doing that. Facebook marketplace in it. Grinding stuff down. What are you even doing? Tell the crowd.
Yeah, because Will messed up these tacks, obviously. Look at those.
Oh, wow.
Oh, idiot.
Wow.
Stupid head.
You want to talk about this?
My tacks are perfect.
I mean, oh shit. Ah. All right, didn't catch on fire. All right, let's show them these cool units. Or my cool
Yeah,
unit.
your build breakdown.
Build breakdown, all right. So here's a 2021 Yamaha TTR 230 R or whatever. It's pretty cool. I mean, haven't done anything to it yet. Just been ripping on it, popping wheelies. I mean, that's about it. We've been tearing up the yard. Probably seen from our other videos. It's pretty cool either way. There's the Enduro 2019.
We're gonna have to have 2 for each of those mounts, aren't we?
Huh?
It's gonna have 2 bolts.
2 tabs.
What are you guys doing?
We don't have to.
You guys could have bought this unit and just put the motorcycle engine on.
What?
Here, come here and look at it. You know what I'm talking about? How it's like 2 mounts?
Yeah.
You think we could just run one piece of all through it?
How much is that?
4,000.
I'm kind of hesitant to just stick one piece of all through it all the way across here.
Let's not do that. Let's just put a bolt on both sides. Call it good.
It says trade for something that catches my eye. Trade
Yeah.
in the black button.
Then, well, you think just bolting it one side will be enough?
Yeah. I don't see why not.
If we do that one good back there, where's the other thing? Yeah, that one's gonna be strong as hell too.
Yeah. We're using pretty thick metal.
As long as I think the welds are good.
Oh, it'll be good. I've seen your welds.
That's the confidence.
Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Just that one. Don't look at any others.
Don't know why it looks like I
missed by half an inch on that one.
I think Mitchell did that one.
Actually, I think he did. Mitchell put down 2 welds, and I'm gonna blame him for everybody.
Yeah.
Smoking. Oh, those are good welds. Only that one. Only that one.
Got to prove himself now. We've been talking trash.
What are we drawing right now?
Stuff. Maximum pressure.
This is how you operate high quality tools.
Yes. That drill bit is ripping.
Ah, there you go.
I put some more on there.
A mess.
Oh, my drill press. That smells good.
Oh.
It's my drill.
Woo!
It's my drill press. My garage, my press.
My eyes are watering. Yeah, we've got good progress.
We have
A
good.
whole lot of welding.
Whole lot of welding.
Look at this. Let's zoom in on this on.
Oh
Dude, this one's gonna be hard to
I
get.
gotta explain the stops.
Oh
The
yeah.
philosophy. You stop every couple inches. So if one cracks, they don't all crack. I don't know if that's true or not, but. Alright, don't want to mess up the lenses.
Pour some water on it.
Spit on it.
That's going on the film. Oh god.
Don't get welding glasses. Be a man.
When you're sitting on the john and the toilet paper's gone, be a man. Use your hand. Finger. Ooh, baby.
But it's not coming out, force it out. With your hand.
With your hand.
I'll load that one up. Look at that.
Whoa. Sponsor us, Titanium. Alright.
Slap her on there.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
professional now.
They got forehead in it now. Safety glasses and all. Oh, you gotta glove up for that.
Oh, I got her.
She's set fucking.
Oh, man, I can't even see this.
Too well.
I looked right at that.
For about 69 seconds, I was making direct eye contact with that one.
Drew, that's not bad.
I mean, that's code for it's really bad.
Alright. Weld in our shock hoops. Put some tabs on it. Got our shocks on. It takes it pretty well for sitting in it so far. The rack lines up
Sit back there,
perfect.
Forrest, gonna take care of us.
I'm just getting some shots of her. Nothing's in there real permanent. It's kind of all tacked.
You mean you're not gonna leave those bolts that are extremely too small for me in there?
But for one eyeball placement, this is the stiffest setting on these shocks. But not much weight's going up front, so hop on real quick. Bounce her a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Man, we're gonna
That's the cinder blocks back there. Not rear suspension, but probably what our rear suspension will feel like. Pretty sick.
Well, I'm happy.
I think even though that's like all we got done today, that this will probably just be its own video. These are still the only motor mounts. Next thing is definitely getting the rear motor mounts done.
Yeah.
At least the first two.
Yeah.
And then we'll work building the rear suspension up.
Yeah, we can actually start that, can't we?
pretty much. I gotta buy the brakes since I got one of $120 for calipers.
Well, since the one guy didn't send us.
Yeah, since we got scammed by a guy who probably died. I think that's it. Yep, we're done.
Time to get off!
Let me show you how to do the
Okay, you go right ahead. I'm not gonna.
I saw you trying to do a couple of them.
I mean, I wasn't really trying.
Yeah.
If I was trying, I'd probably be on my back. You see that burn ski right there?
Yeah.
That was good.
The concrete was like semi-clean when we were ripping the other bike.
I know.
When this bike comes out. Except for the camera, it's always rowdy. Dropping his hat. Worth it.
Then I said something.
Oh, the fender's fine.
Fender's fine. I lost the front brake.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, I found the front brake. Will, you're gonna weld it on. You bring your camera out, it hits different. Hang on. Gotta get the whole shot.
Got a nice racer. I think it's recording this upside down for some reason.